Hello. Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Mariovit, and in this tutorial I will show you how to kill a Wasp Queen in the grounded. What you need to do, you need to destroy this location of the wasps, like this. Here you have first one, the next one you have, I'm gonna show you, you must just destroy it. Two, I think that two is optional. Look, I will show you next one. I want you show. Okay. You must go here, this way. Here, there is also Wasp location, so we can go there. Oh, fine, fine. Give me that, I want it. I want it. Thank you very much, my friend. 24. It sounds good. That sounds really good. Okay.
Time to play some minute
Oh,
Tarzan
no.
afterwards.
I don't want to fight with you, bro. No. I just want to kill Wasp Queen. Not yet. I killed too many of you. Okay. Oh, there is Wasp. There is location. Oh my goodness. It's dangerous, but I think that we can do this. Okay, there is tiger mosquito. Why you? What the? What's happened? LOL. Okay, really? Okay, I don't care. I don't know. I need to build stairs. I don't recommend this bullshit. Give me that. We can fight. And fight.
My veins feel like they're on fire.
Okay, we need to have more.
Poison. I need an answer.
We need to destroy more. Run. Go to sleep. Thank you, friend, sir. Oh yeah, we made it. So you must destroy two. All, and you have it. Oh yeah. Okay, here we go. We can just get in. I have set spawn here, spawn point. Go. It can be interesting. Brownie boy bin entrance. Okay. Crust. Three, four. Let me get in.
Oh, huh. That's interesting.
Okay, here is raw science. Boom. It should be somewhere bargel chip, as you can see. As the bargel chip. The US here is also Black Widow. From what I see, okay. Crazy darkness. Termit. Okay. There you are. From where you are. By the way, show me your weakness. Okay, salty. Oh yeah. Gum. Give me that.
What's on your mind?
Okay. Continue. There's somewhere molar mill. Okay, ball. Splinter. Splinter. Wooden splinter. Lol. Okay. This way or this way? Wow. Okay. We have it. Okay, station. What is there? Oh, Black Widow. Guys, as you can see, here is Black Widow. LOL. LOL. Black Widow. That can be interesting fight. What is baggage? Oh, he's coming. He's coming. We almost made it. Nice. Bro, it took a lot of time, but we made it. Okay. Very good. Okay.
Poison saving throw failed. I've been poisoned.
Jezu. I need some help. Science.
Science.
So here is this bee. Health and safety badge. Drop this. Okay. Black Widow Funk. And health. Bombardiers on a dueling. Okay, so I must create a BBQ medley. Tiger, mosquito, door lamp, bee stinger. I understand everything, guys. So that's it, how you can summon bee. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Give it me back. But, bruh.
Looks good from here.
Where's my backpack? Bruh. Where's my backpack? Here. Okay. Well, okay, I have used this. Really? I give me off it. I'm ready. I think I'm ready. Okay. Come on, bro. Come to me. Just ready. Just come closer. Come closer. Jezus Maria. Jezus Maria. Okay. He's thinking just kill. Oh, nice damage. Nice damage. Oh, he's thinking again. Okay, think more. Bruh. Bruh. Okay, one more, please.
I've been poisoned.
Okay. Half of the bar left. Boom. Come on. It's really looking epic. Bad damage. Seven. Okay. I'm safe. Oh. Quickly. Do your job. Do your job. Oh man. Man, kill attack.
Failed.
spirit. Okay.
Feel like they're on fire.
Give me soul. I want to see. No, it's nothing. I need salty. Or it's for Black Widow. 7. Okay, okay. You're almost dead. You're almost dead. You're almost dead. Trust me.
Poison. I need an antidote. I've been poisoned.
Uj.
Poison. I need an antidote.
Ej, GG. Oh yeah. Bardic Inspiration. Wasp Queen Wing, Wasp Queen Chunk. Jesus. 3 things to analyzation. Okay, and that's all in this video. So thanks for watching. You may leave a like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment. And see you next time. Bye bye.